Welcome back. All right, so today I want to take a quick look around Marshall's to see what they had for Easter decor. All right, so as soon as you walk in, you see spring decor. I think these pieces could be both used for Easter and spring. You can keep them out for the whole season. They're super cute and super affordable. I love the little cars with the different little gnomes and different things in them. And I also love the gnomes too because they're all so cute. And I love the spring colors that they have out right now. This one was super cute, and of course it was affordable. Then they didn't have a lot of kitchen stuff, but they had this dish towel, and I thought it was super cute, $9.99. And the bunnies, they just look so vibrant and so nice. Then they had a lot of cute containers for your counter, and like I said, you can leave these out all season. All affordable prices, super cute, just like everything else that is out right now for the spring. They had the little gnome one. They had just a few cute pieces. Not a lot of stuff out. I thought there would be more stuff out for Easter, but the things that they did have out were super cute and super affordable. Then once you got done looking at those, they had these cookie cutters. They had the little bunny ears and the little Easter eggs, and that was only $5, and you get, like I said, a 4. And then they had a lot of little molds. I'm thinking, what do you make, like chocolate or something in those? The bigger one, I'm not sure what you would make in those, but they had those, and those were super cheap also. So if you are into baking and stuff, you can go on down to Marshall's and pick you up some cute little things. They had these 2 cute little butter trays that I thought was so cute. The bunny one was my favorite one because it had it was just plain and simple and something that you can use in any decor, I thought. And then they had the pillows. They had a few blankets too, but they were kind of hidden. But they had these pillows, and I thought that one was just super gorgeous, and it was only $20. And then they had the Easter egg one. They had a set up there. So all these things were, to me, super cute, super affordable. I wish they had more things out, but they didn't. But let me know what you thought, and I'll see you in the next one.